If you're thinking about using Hostinger for your website, this video will show you everything you need to know before you buy. In this complete Hostinger review, I'm going to cover Hostinger pricing and plans, the features you get, speed and real performance test results, security and reliability, the Hostinger dashboard and ease of use, customer support, pros and cons, and whether Hostinger is actually worth it in 2026. I also tested a fully functioning WordPress website hosted on Hostinger, and I'll show you the real performance results so you can see how it performs in the real world. And if you decide Hostinger is the right hosting provider for you, I'll also show you how to get an exclusive Hostinger discount that saves you even more than the pricing shown on the website, plus a free domain name included with your plan. To get the deal, just click the Hostinger link in the description below this video. I've also included the exclusive coupon code next to the link that gives you an additional discount at checkout. Quick disclosure, that link is an affiliate link, meaning I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. You'll still get the lowest Hostinger pricing available. Alright, let's jump into the review. Hostinger is one of the most popular web hosting companies in the world, hosting millions of websites across 170 plus countries. They're known for extremely affordable pricing, fast performance, beginner-friendly tools, an easy-to-use dashboard, and powerful features included even on their lowest plans. Hostinger is commonly used for WordPress websites, blogs, business websites, portfolio sites, e-commerce stores, and online projects of all sizes. One reason Hostinger has become so popular is that they offer very competitive pricing while still maintaining strong performance and features. So let's first take a look at their hosting plans. Hostinger currently offers three main shared hosting plans. The premium plan is the most affordable option, starting as low as $1.99 per month for a limited time. This plan includes host up to 3 websites, free domain name, free SSL certificate, unlimited bandwidth, managed WordPress hosting, weekly backups, free email accounts, access to the Hostinger website builder. This plan is perfect for beginners, personal websites, blogs, small business sites. The business plan starts as low as $2.99 per month. It includes everything in the premium plan, plus additional features like daily backups, faster performance, more server resources, WordPress staging tools, AI website tools, advanced WordPress acceleration. This plan is ideal for growing websites, business websites, e-commerce stores, websites expecting more traffic. The cloud startup plan, as low as $6.99 per month. This plan offers cloud hosting resources, which means more power and stability compared to shared hosting. Features include dedicated server resources, faster loading speeds, increased reliability, priority support, free domain name, daily backups. This plan is great for high traffic websites, larger businesses, e-commerce stores, websites that need maximum performance. And remember, the pricing shown on the Hostinger website is not the lowest possible price. You can install WordPress in just a few clicks using the one-click installer, and Hostinger will automatically configure everything for you. Hostinger includes a lot of features that many hosting companies normally charge extra for. Some of the key features include free domain name with annual plans, free SSL certificate, free professional email accounts, WordPress acceleration, light-speed web servers, built-in caching, one-click WordPress installation, managed WordPress hosting, malware scanning, website migration tools, global data centers. Hostinger also includes Lightspeed servers, which are known for delivering very fast website loading speeds compared to traditional Apache servers. This can significantly improve website performance. Now let's talk about performance, because speed is one of the most important factors when choosing a hosting provider. To test Hostinger, I created a fully functioning WordPress website hosted on their platform and ran several performance tests. Here are the results. Using a website speed testing tool, the site loaded on average 991 milliseconds, which is considered very fast for shared hosting. Some of the reasons Hostinger performs well include Lightspeed web servers, built-in caching, global data centers, NVMe storage, optimized WordPress hosting. Overall, Hostinger consistently delivers very strong performance for the price. Security is another important factor when choosing a hosting provider. Hostinger includes several built-in security features, including free SSL certificates, DDoS protection, malware scanning, automatic backups, two-factor authentication, secure access manager, Cloudflare protected name servers. These features help protect your website and keep your data secure. Hostinger offers 24/7 customer support through live chat. Their support team can help with WordPress issues, website setup, technical troubleshooting, hosting configuration, domain management. Hostinger also has a large knowledge base and tutorials which can help you solve many issues quickly. Overall, their support is generally considered fast and helpful, especially for beginner users. Pros: extremely affordable pricing, very fast performance, beginner-friendly dashboard, free domain name, free SSL certificates, global data centers, strong WordPress support. Cons: no phone support, some advanced features require higher plans, lowest pricing requires longer term plans. If you want to get the exclusive Hostinger discount, here's exactly how to activate it. First, go down to the description below this video and click the Hostinger discount link I provided. Once you click the link, you'll land on the Hostinger pricing page. Choose the hosting plan you want. Then, during checkout, enter the exclusive coupon code shown in the description. This will apply an additional discount on top of the already discounted pricing, allowing you to save even more money than what's shown on the Hostinger website. You'll also get a free domain name included with your hosting plan. So, is Hostinger actually worth it? For most people, the answer is yes. Hostinger offers very affordable pricing, fast website performance, strong features, easy to use dashboard, reliable hosting. It's especially a great choice for beginners starting their first website, bloggers, small businesses, WordPress users, anyone looking for affordable but reliable hosting. If you'd like to get the exclusive Hostinger discount plus a free domain name, just click the link in the description below this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.